Hey guys, Danae Marquez with Home Pros Advantage, back with another video today here for you. And today we're going to go over how to create landing pages using KV Core. So let's get started. So as always, we're going to first log into KV Core, and then we're going to head all the way down to Lead Engine. From here, you're going to find all of these lead engine tools and features, and we're going to go right here to landing page, a simple customizable landing page builder for any campaign. And that's our goal for today. So the first thing you're going to do is select a domain, which is going to be, you're most likely going to have one, which is going to be your website. We're going to go to start building. And from here, you're going to be brought to this. So we're going to start left, going all the way to the right. So it's going to give you options of what type of lead generation you want to do. So for example, you can do contact hijacked video. For example, if you have a YouTube video that you want to put here, that's always a good way to do that. Address capture, like for example, you want to give someone a home valuation, they just add their information, blah blah blah. This is most likely if you're looking for sellers possibly, but in this case we're gonna, let's say our goal is for buyers and we just want to get their email and their cell phone number, right? So then on here you're going to be taken to hashtag. Do you want to put a hashtag? Do you want to organize your CRM? For example, let's say you're going to post this on Facebook, then you can put hashtag Facebook lead right here, lead right there. You can change the words on the submit button right over here. So like for example, click here, right there, something simple. If you choose to change it, you can add a URL after login. For example, when it says click here, where is it going to take them? For example, if you want to take them to your website, all you have to do is you have to go to your website, copy this, if that's your goal, right there, paste. There you go. You could require the phone number right here. If you take this off, it says optional, so they don't have to. But if that's what you're looking for their phone numbers, then you can make it required, both their email and their cell phone number. Background, you can change the image in the back. You can also upload your own image, or if you want to add an image of an MLS on the MLS. And the lead type, for example, let's say this was for buyers. There you go. From there, and now all you have to do really is customize. So for example, you can change this to whatever. So look at the most up-to-date listings on the market, right there, or something. You can customize it. You can do one tip, however, is that if you click twice, it deletes and you can't go back. You're gonna have to start all over. And while it's easy to do, sometimes it can get frustrated, because if you take all of this off, there's no going back. So that's one tip. And let's say this is what you want, something like that. Click here, something simple, right? All you have to do is click save. It's going to warn you, because after you click save, you cannot edit it. Click OK, and there you go. That's your thing right there. So now you can add here, phone number, and then they click there. And it should take them to my website. There you go. So now let's say, oh, but I don't have the link anymore. Where do I get the link? So let's say you don't want to use it right away. You just go to your past landing pages, and it's going to be based on date. And see, we have our hashtag here. You can copy our link or view it. I have a couple more here. For example, this one, find your dream home today. Find the hottest homes before anyone else. Access to the most update listings, exclusive off-market opportunities, local expertise, and so on. And again, email, phone number, and then it would send them to my website. So that was a quick tutorial on how to create easy landing pages. If that's something that you're looking for, as always, I'm always available through text and phone call. And if you're one of my agents, we can always set up a one-on-one so I can teach you how to do this in person. So, Danae Marquez with Home Pros Advantage. See you next time.